Hello everyone, I am Celestina Manoj and I warmly welcome you to our presentation for Smart India Hackathon 2025. We are Team Data Aquagenics and our problem statement is SIH25041, an AI-driven unified data platform for oceanographic, fisheries and molecular diversity insights under the renewable and sustainable energy theme. Our team members are Avinashkar, Prerna Chaudhary, Ganni Rishita, Celestina Manoj, Swayam Agrawal, and Anisha Gupta. We are fortunate to be guided by a mentor, Dr. Prasanna Chaudhary, whose support has been invaluable throughout our journey. Our proposed solution is an unified AI driven digital platform. It integrates and analyzes multidisciplinary datasets from oceanography, fisheries, and molecular biodiversity to provide deep insights into marine ecosystems. The ultimate aim is sustainable resource management of marine fish data using environmental DNA. This platform enables real time identification and biodiversity analysis of fish species in Indian oceanic territories, supporting both conservation and sustainable fisheries. Our platform stands out because it brings together three critical domains into one place. First, users can explore oceanography data with interactive maps and graphs for better visualization. Second, we provide AI driven gene sequence search with primer suggestions, which is extremely useful for biodiversity studies. Third, we allow users to search fish by names and instantly access taxonomy, genetics, and species level details. Lastly, the platform integrates reliable global databases such as NCBI and FishBase, ensuring data credibility. This integration makes our solution unique. It is not just a data repository, but a smart AI based system for marine biodiversity insights. Now, I will explain our technical approach with the help of this flowchart. Our platform starts with the user interaction layer. A user can begin in different ways, either by chatting with our AI chatbot, by entering a search query, or by searching a fish name or even a gene sequence. If the user is interested in oceanographic data, the system provides parameters like temperature, salinity, oxygen levels, and even pH. These are displayed through maps and visualizations, making it easier to interrupt complex data. If the user goes for fish biodiversity search, then our AI system comes into play. It takes the gene sequence, recommends the most suitable primer, and even shows how frequently these primers are used in research. This ensures both accuracy and even reliability for biodiversity studies. On the other hand, if the user searches by fish name, the platform provides complete taxonomy genetic details, distribution, and also related fish links. This helps in connecting biodiversity information with fisheries and ecological insights. All of this is possible because of our AI/ML integration. Machine learning models power the classification of fish species, primer recommendations, and biodiversity mapping. On the right hand of the slide, we have also listed the technology that makes it possible. For the front end, we use Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS to build a fast, responsive, and clear interface. For UI elements, we use Radix UI. The intelligence layer comes from OpenAI CDK, which powers our chatbot assistant. For the backend, data fetching and processing, we use Python scripts. Finally, we deploy everything on Vercel, which ensures scalability and global access. So in short, this flowchart shows how the user's query moves through our platform, starting from data input, going through AI-based analysis and primer recommendations, and finally resulting in clear visualization and insights. This slide explains the feasibility and viability of our proposed solution. First, let's talk about feasibility. Our solution is very much achievable because we are using Python-based algorithms, AI and ML platforms, and reported eDNA datasets. With the support of cloud deployment, the system can easily scale to handle larger datasets and more users without performance issues. Next are the challenges. One of the biggest challenges in this domain is the complex taxonomy of fishes. To accurately identify and classify fish species, we need very high clarity and resolution. This is especially important for marine taxonomists and aquaculture scientists because even small errors in primer selection can lead to misclassification. So, selecting the right primer and achieving precise classification is a critical challenge. Then, our strategies to overcome these challenges. We plan to develop a standardized platform powered by machine learning algorithms. These algorithms will identify fish varieties, map them to the most suitable primers, and classify them accurately into the taxonomic groups. This way, we both ensure scientific accuracy and reliability of the platform. Finally, our business model and sustainability approach. Our platform is a primary scientific and a research oriented solution, so it doesn't follow a traditional business model like a commercial product. Instead, we focus on sustainability through three paths: government and policy support. Since this project aligns with India's goals of the blue economy, biodiversity conservation, and food security, it can be supported under government schemes, research grants, or collaborations with institutes like ICAR, MOEs, and DBT. Institutional partnerships. This platform can be adopted by universities, research labs, and marine institutes. We can keep a basic version free for the scientific community while offering subscription based access to advanced feature. Third is international grants. Funding can also come from global biodiversity and climate resilience programs. So, while it's not a typical commercial product, our approach ensures financial sustainability through government collaboration, institutional adoption, and research funding rather than direct commercialization. Overall, despite challenges, our AI/ML driven standardized platform is feasible, scalable, and sustainable in the real world. Impacts and benefits. Our platform delivers three benefits. First, it supports the blue economy by making marine data actionable and sustainable resource use and economic growth. Second, it promotes biodiversity and climate resilience. Real time monitoring helps protect species and respond to environmental changes. Third, it strengthens food security by enabling sustainable fisheries and ensuring a long term supply of seafood. In short, it balances conservation with sustainable use, creating environmental, economic, and social impact. Finally, we come to our references and research slide. All the work we have presented in the backed by credible scientific sources. We have used globally trusted databases like FishBase and NCBI GenBank, along with recent research on environmental DNA, primers, and bioinformatics pipelines. This ensures that our platform is not only innovative but also scientifically validated and future ready. To conclude, our AI driven unified data platform provides an end to end solution for integrating oceanographic, fisheries, and molecular biodiversity. It supports sustainable fisheries management, biodiversity conservation, and contributes to the blue economy. With this, we would like to thank you for your time and attention.